Good morning, learners. Let's take out our mathematics textbook. Today we're going to look at expanded notation, or we can call this breaking down method or breaking down numbers. Some of you might be wondering what is expanded form or breaking down method. Expanded form is writing the number as the addition of the place value of each digit. Before we go into details about today's topic, let's try to read the following numbers. We have 732, 9,608, 475, 847, 126, 56, 2,416, 987, 6,524, 986, 874, and 3,708. There are some steps that you need to follow when you are writing expanded form. First step, you're supposed to read the number and look at how many digits are in it. The second step, you rewrite each value as is read on the equal numeric value. Then the last step, you write each digit separately, attaching the appropriate place value name after it. We're supposed to break down 9,864 into expanded notation. We're supposed to break it down like 9,000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 40. In this case, we have 9,000, we have 806 tens and 4 units. There is another way whereby you're supposed to check if your number is correct. For example, we have 9 here. So when we have 9, we check how many numbers we left on our right hand side. We have 3 numbers. That means we're supposed to write 3 zeros. Next number, we have 8 here. We write 8 here again. Then we check how many numbers are left on our right hand side. We left with 2 numbers. That means we're supposed to write 2 zeros. Then the next number is 6. We check how many numbers are left after 6. We have 4, which is 1 number. Then we're supposed to write 1 0. Then 4, we take that 4, we write it down. It's 4. We check how many numbers are left after 4. We have 0 numbers left. That means we're supposed to write 4 as it is. This is how we're supposed to write expanded notation. We have 348. Firstly, you're supposed to write 300 plus 40 plus 8. The reason why we wrote this number as it is because we have 300 and 4 tens and 8 units. You can namely unit as ones. Our second example is 679. We're supposed to break this number as 600 plus 70 plus 9. In this case, we have 600, we have 7 tens and 9 units or ones. We're going to look into the third example, which is 809. But in this case, we have different problems that must be solved. We have 800 plus 9. The reason why we didn't include 0 is because we have 800, then 0 tens, and 9 units. That is why we wrote 800 plus 9, not 800 plus 0 plus 9. Even in that way, you wrote that number in that way, it is not wrong, but you have to write it as 800 plus 9. We have 5,619. We're supposed to break this number in expanded notation. We have to write 5,000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 9. In this case, we have 5,000, we have 600, we have 10 tens, and we have 9 units, or we have 9 ones. Another example is 65. In this case, we're supposed to write it as 60 plus 5. We have 6 tens and we have 5 units.